Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you, how are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to export picture to a page in Photoshop. So let's start. At first open our Photoshop document. Now you can see export picture web page. Now you can firstly open the picture. Now find your picture. Now select from picture. Now click from open option. Open the picture. Now move the picture in home page. Now this is your text. It says your picture. Now you can see, then I'm going to the file mode option, then click. Now click from search web. Now you can see present in sense. Now transparency, I'll click from save option. Now save in the file name. Now click save. That it's. Now open the that it's. Now you can see export picture web page in Photoshop document is very easily.